Hello traders, today is 28th of November 2023. Guys, let me share with you how we manage amazing profit on Euro Yen this morning. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, and if you have seen my previous analysis yesterday, we had such a nice beautiful short trade here. And as you can see, the market sort of like a developing it head and shoulder pattern. Yesterday, once we see the market develop a bearish engulfing candle, so as explained, my trader just keep taking a pullback short trade here. So we manage a very decent profit. This is the point of interest. You can see here, market nicely hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. So if you look at the pretty straightforward yesterday, once the market develop a false breakout, as you can see here, even we have this long trade here, you can see this is the counter trade, by the way. Once the price develop in impulsively reverse, and as explained my trader here, you can see here the market develop a false breakout, and if the market is going to come out from the structure, which is more likely here in a continuation pattern, so which market nicely broken, beautiful, as explained my trader. Once the target hit, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, as we did another analysis, I said to my trader, now it's time to look for another pullback, which you can see here as mentioned here in the analysis. With this analysis being given in a live, and after impulsive, you can see here the market develop a correction. This is a high probability of continuation. Market nicely broken, hit to the profit target. We bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, as explained my trade, let the market develop another structure and look for another possibility of short or counter long trade here. So you can see here pretty straightforward. The market nicely developed, as you can see here, symmetric triangle pattern. Based on this analysis, we have another beautiful pull breakout short trade here, and afterwards we also had this pullback. Market nicely respected, as you can see here, beautiful pullback. As soon as the market start developing a double bottom, that's what explained my trader it's time to enjoy amazing profit. So guys, if you want to see all that analysis with the full detailed explanation with the live audio commentary support in real time, so most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Guys, have a nice day and all the best.